Turanga FM Parakuihi show online with Matai and Rahia. Tomo mai, e wera te kai.
Iwa te kaumātai, ira whitu ki te irere, iwa te kaumātai, ira whitu ki te ipurangi. Turanga FM Parakuihi show on air and online with Matai and Rahia. Ko te rua te kaumāwaru o kohi tātia tēnei.
I've really missed Parakuihi and I'm excited that it's back. Yesterday, we took a look at the amazing children of Mangapapa School, and today we take a trip to the amazing Horouta Pharmacy.
Yes, our good friends Kevin and Casey, who both run and own, owner-operators of Horouta Pharmacy, well, they invited Rahia and I to explore their wares just before Christmas.
They have some cool bougie stuff on their shelves, as you're about to see.
Bougie indeed, e mea ana koe. And, of course, they are one of the best, if not the best, they are the best, pharmacy here in Turanga Nui Akiwa.
All they need to do is sell kai and coffee, and I'll never leave that shop, ever.
Yeah, coffee, ice cream, donuts, ice. Yeah, anyway. Hoi anō, speaking of kai, anei anō he tahi kai timo, hei ngaungau, mā o koutou he ngaro.
Tai oro, ngā tai pito pito o te tai rāwhiti.
Mōrena e hika mā, nō nā kua nei, whakatau ai te tangata tuatahi kua pāngia ki te mate kōwhiori ki konei ki te tai rāwhiti nei. Hei tā hauara tai rāwhiti, kua noho rāhui ai te tangata māwiwi ki tōna ake kāinga. Kua whakapā atu hoki ngā tāngata kua whai wāhi atu ai ki te tūroro, mō te tūpono kua pāngia hoki rātau ki te māwiwi. Kāore i te mōhio, hiaha te momo ma te kōwhiori i tēnei wā, engari hei te rua te kaumā whahaura ka mōhio. Mēnā e māwiwi ana koe, e tikorere ana rānei koe, tēnā whakapā atu ki tō tākuta. A kā te koiranga kai timua Parakuihi, ko Rahia tumutumua hau, a tamārie.
Parakuihi tahi kia mātai raua ko Rahia. 91.7 on air and online.
Tēnā koe Rahia. Horouta Pharmacy is located at 92 Delator Road here in Turanga Nui Akiwa.
And Matai and I had a chat to one of the owners and the lead singer of Superfly Killer, Kevin Pewhairangi.
Tangata pukinga rau. He's got so many talents, multi-skilled.
Yep, CrossFit coach at Mekong Modi.
Oh, tika tāhau. So, e whai ake nei, here's the kaupapa that you've been waiting for, the best pharmacy in the land, Horouta Pharmacy. Roll it next. A kāti e te whānau no tātou te whiwhi, te waimaria kai konei, te kai whakahaere o tēnei wāhi o Horouta Pharmacy, ara ko Kevin Pewhairangi. Tēnā koe Kev.
Kia ora.
Kei te aha.
He pai.
Ka pai. Before we delve into the history of this place, I want to talk about being a pharmacist. Because I don't know many Māori that are pharmacists. Ia hei uru atu ai koe ki roto I tēnei momo mahi.
Pretty much pharmacy chose me. I originally went to Dunedin to be a dentist.
Oh.
And came out a pharmacist.
Speaking of, well, chemist, here we are in your pharmacy. How long has it been? Have you been here for?
Almost 3 years now.
Whoa. What was it like moving home and taking over Horouta Pharmacy?
It was originally our goal to open up a pharmacy. We were living in Wellington and we needed more freedom with our kids, and Gisborne was a good place to bring them up.
How was that, studying alongside your partner and then working alongside your partner with your own business? That's living the dream, I would say.
Great part-time, great reaction.
Well, luckily I'm answering the questions. She'll tell you a different story. But no, it is good, and it allows us to have that work-life balance. We get to tag in and out in terms of who's got the boys, our kids, and who's looking after this place.
I actually remember the first time I came here, and let's just say it was a little bit, not Mother Hubbard went to the cupboard and was a little bit bare, but there wasn't as many items here. And look at it, I mean, you're not just dealing with, pills and medicine, you're now delving into other areas of, towelettes and kete.
If you go into every pharmacy, they all have the same things, and for us being home, it was about engaging with whānau, whanaunga that do kete rāranga and different things, and just utilising them and supporting them.
I just think that's so awesome. You're a local business supporting other smaller businesses than yourself. Where to from here?
We're trying to expand and engage more of our iwi, really. We're working with Ngāti Porou Horouta. If you see them outside, they're outside looking after our pakihi that they're bringing in to get their booster shots at the moment. And also looking at what we can do for them up the coast, doing more than just a delivery service.
So I want to ask you, what is one of the most commonly asked medical question that you're asked?
Today it's been, can you do a COVID test on me? But usually, if you're a certain aged male, you'll be asking for medication specific for male issues.
Okay, right.
Such as ED.
Well, you know,
Yeah,
it's natural.
yeah.
It happens to all of us.
He mate tērā.
He momo, tika. I think we should just address another issue whilst we're here. To mimi or not to mimi? Now, you may piss a few people off with this kōrero, but is the mimi going to work on your pigsty?
No, it won't.
No, it won't. How high?
It's not sterile. If it ever did work, it's probably more from and it washed the bacteria away. But you're probably going to get another infection in your eye.
Okay, so no more mimi on your eye. E te whānau, even if Nan or Koro says go and put a mimi on it, don't go and put a mimi on it. Akāti e te iwi kei te mōhio kia koutou kia māo ko Rahia. Mō tēnei mea te whakatoi, ka rea pāinga ia māua ne. So we always like to take the mickey out of each other every now and then. Speaking of which, I've got a mickey tonga for you, because she likes bath, soap, and she likes donuts. 2 in 1 e whama. Mickey no wātu.
I've just spotted, you know, these kind of gifts that would be suitable for Matai, especially the ear and nose trimmer. Get right in those ears. That's why he's always got blocked ears.
Got the perfect gift for her. Well, this is one gift for next year, because we've already had Christmas. Pop-it fidget toys. Then if she gets bored, she could probably play with this toy. Oh, no, maybe not. Kōrero whakatoi
Babe,
about the toy.
babe, people are gonna think something.
We actually have to. Anyway, a big thanks to Kevin and the team for letting us film our story. Kei te pai koe. At Horouta Pharmacy, and no more mimi in the eye. It doesn't help with your style.
But if you're looking at buying a birthday present for the Capricorn or Sagittarius babies out there, Horouta Pharmacy has the gifts for you.
Hoi anō, ka nui tēnā mō tēnei wā. Have a wonderful, safe weekend, everyone, and enjoy the rest of this wonderful week.
See you next week for our 40th episode of Parakuihi. But for now,
Hei
kona!
kona! I was only joking about the
Babe,
toy.
people are gonna
No,
say
because you need to, you know.
need to what?
Parakuihi tahi kia Matai Raua ko Rahia, 91.7 on air and online. Ko te reo.